Alright, here we go. Cycle cut, come on. Cycle cut. Yep, cycle cut. Goldilocks moveset.
No, that's not cycle cut.
Oh no, yeah, that's confusion. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, that's confusion. Yeah, at least we know it's psychic for sure though.
So you're saving this for the next one, right? Actually,
One shot.
almost 400 bucks. I don't care. She didn't want to put the trade up.
That's the money.
Perfect cycle time. Because now my Gengar can roam free. Shit. That was a waste of a Mewtwo. I meant more of a Gengar. Nope. Back in?
Yep.
Okay, good. Because I'm getting out right now. I just wasted a Gengar. He came in and took a psychic to the face.
I was saving my second Gengar.
Yeah, my second. That's why I have my second Gengar. As soon as he came in, psychic to the face. Don't worry, we're already back in. Well, they changed Bite, because animation for Bite's different. No, instead of him smacking like that, he just leaned forward.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, they just changed T-Tar's animation for Bite. It's almost like a Gyarados. Yeah, I'll say I'm throughout the whole entire fight.
So far, Polysword doesn't do the exact same thing.
Yeah, because Bite looks a lot different from Crunch now. Nice, 55. That's 55. We tied our last one.
You said it's 53.
Huh? Mine said 55.
No.
Oh, it should be 55. I'm dragging here.
51.
Oh, 51? Oh, okay, so. Yeah, I got a recording. Yeah, I got a recording. Nice time. That was an amazing time. If we probably didn't use the bug type time, we probably would have done a little bit better though.
Yeah, I didn't get enough shit. I legit just threw the ball.
246. Mine's crap.
No, don't do it. Don't do it in about 4 seconds.
See? 55. See, this is what happens when you rub off all of Tross's and Rocky Chee's dust off of Mega Shane. You actually get a good time. I had to get all that residue off.
You got a good time this time?
Oh yeah, we had a great time. No? We killed your time. We killed your time. We killed your time, that's all I care about. We killed your time.
Yes!
Hey, we just killed his time, that's all I care about.
He's bad.
This is what happens when you rub off all of Tross and Rocky Chee's residue off of them. Caught him.
You guys get any good 22, 46. Oh, not attack.
It's attack, but it's tied with defense, and it's not 15. So,